Hi students, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I'm still in Montana and I'll be back on Wednesday. Looking forward to seeing you. This is the worksheet that you're getting for homework tonight, and you're going to begin working on it in class. But I wanted to give you a little idea of what it was that you're supposed to do. Remember that when you're adding same signs, remember that what you're doing is you're adding them together and you're keeping the common sign. So they've got a few examples here for you that you're adding those together and keeping that common sign of 4. Over on this side, if you have unlike signs, of course, what you're doing is you're subtracting the absolute values. They're showing you this great example, and then you're going to keep the sign of the greater absolute value. So that's why this is going to stay negative here. So a little reminder of what the addition rules are. Subtraction, remember what you're doing on that is that you add the opposite. So you are changing this to addition, and then you're changing that positive 7 to a negative 7. And then, of course, after you do that, then you just follow these two rules for addition. On the back side, you'll have multiplication and division. There's quite a bit of work on here, and that's why we're spreading it over in-class work and also for homework. I'm hoping that you will finish the first side in class, and then this back side would be homework. Read the directions carefully, and remember that for this section down here where you're trying to find the value of the variable, you can show the inverse operation on both sides. I would change those subtraction problems to addition problems first, but feel free with this type, with these subtraction types down here, if you need to do mental math on that. I can understand that because some of these you're going to end up with a negative variable, and we haven't really learned exactly what to do with negative variables. So use what you know about subtracting in order to find the values of these. These should be pretty easy for you to do because it's addition, and you can do the inverse operation on both sides. Back here, the only thing tricky here, remember this is that section, what's the sign of the underlying factor? You're going to be deciding if that's a negative 10, is this going to be positive or negative? And what you can do is you can just put positive 5 or negative 5 right there. And that would be the way that you could do that. There might be a lot of these you might need extra room for. Feel free to do this on a separate piece of paper if that's a little bit easier for you. And I hope it doesn't make you go crazy. Then it goes 1 through 12 and then jumps 21 through 32, and it's a little bit crazy. But anyway, have fun, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.